This is what my son made at school. Ain't it beautiful? Scooby-Doo, where are you? It's took him 3 days to do it. I'm so proud of him. I think he's going to be a cook like Mama. Thanks for watching. This is Tanya's Home Cooking on YouTube. This is Cameron Ritchie at, what's your YouTube channel?
Trauma-Cam.
He's got his own YouTube channel. Go over and check it out. It's about gaming. If you like games, go over and check it out. But he made this at school at Union. Ain't it beautiful? Thanks for watching. Bye.